All right, please, this is how to use your Gooey AI. Okay, this is how to use it. Now what you're going to do is to sign up with them. All right, this is the home. Okay, just make sure you go sign up with them. See, this is how it is. Okay, here you go to sign up. All right, sign up with them, and then when you have done that, okay, you can come back and sign in. All right, click on sign in, and then when you have done that, okay, you have your details here. You can see your details. Your details are here. So what you do, just come down here, go down to explore. Yeah, click on explore. All right, click explore, and then come down here, down. You go to see lip sync. Okay, here this is it. Go to see lip sync. All right, do you see lip sync here? You can use this one, okay, or you can also use this other one, lip sync a video with any text, okay, and all of that. Okay, so let me show you something here. Take a look at this. Okay, so what you do when you click lip sync video with any text, what you do is input face. Okay, you upload a video or image that contains face to use. All right, and then when you have done that, input the text. Okay, what do you want this thing to say? All right, just put in what you want the thing to say, and then when you have done that, you click on submit, and you are good to go. All right, or if you don't want to use this other one, you can go back and use the other one. This other one here, where is it? Okay, let me show you this one. You can also use this one too. Yeah, you can use this one too. See, lip syncing. Just click on lip sync, and then syncing or sign or whatever they call it. Okay, you put the face, upload the video image that contains the face to use. When you have done that, you include all the audio. This is when you use audio. This one is to use audio. That one was text. This one is audio. I think I prefer the audio. So you have your audio, you are good to go. Let me give you an example. Let's say I want to use this one. Okay, just click on input face. Okay, come here. Okay, just cancel this one, cancel that one, and then go to my device. Go to my device and upload the video at the face. Okay, click on files, and then let me go get a face I should use. All right, that's somewhere here. No, it's not there. Okay, it should be somewhere. Pixlab. They're called Pixlab stuff. All right, I think it should be here. Okay, so come down here. All right, this is the lady that we used yesterday. Okay, so let me use that, and then so once you upload, okay, the next thing you go for the audio. Here is for audio. This place for audio. See input audio. Click on this one, remove the first one, and then go to my device again as usual. Go to my device, then upload the audio you want to use. Go to files, click on audio, and then locate the voice. You can see this is the voice I want to use. Click on it. Okay, to be uploaded. Just wait for it. All right, so by the time you put in the you put in the face, okay, that you want to use, the photo you want to use, and the voice you want to use, okay, the sound, or yeah, then click on submit, okay, to get it done. Click on submit and give it time to load. All right, so you can see now it's ready. Okay, this is it. It's ready. Okay, so what you do is you can play it to check. Okay. All right, so that is it. So that is where it is. Hold on. Okay, so what you do now is to download it. Okay, how do you download that? You click on these three dots here, and then click on download to be downloaded to your device. It's actually simple too.